Hi everyone. Just thought of sharing something very important with you. I'm sure the piece of information that I'm going to share with you will be very useful. Reason is I'm into the financial services industry for last 20 years and I have got a lot of experience in financial planning and financial freedom. One of my friends recently approached me and asked me, Suranjit, somebody approached me, a good experienced life insurance salesperson approached me and asked me. He approached me and he gave me a kind of a good proposal on life insurance. It has medical insurance as well. He said, I'm about to go and buy a land because these days land prices are really good, especially land prices are going up. And he said it's very important to invest in lands and its value is getting appreciated every day. And in time to come, maybe in 2 to 3 years, I can sell it and get a good capital gain within short period. So the life insurance advisor has tried to convince him to buy insurance rather than going for a land. Now my friend approached me and asked me, since he knows that I'm into the financial services industry and I'm dealing with a lot of people and sometimes I advise people what is the right thing to do. So he asked me, what do you think? What should I buy? When I asked him, I clearly told him what is the investment of land and what is the difference between life insurance. You know, if you really consider these two as two properties, just imagine a land. If you buy a land, you get a deed. You will get a deed. If you buy an insurance policy, you get a deed. You pay an installment to the housing loan. You pay an installment to the land. Assume that you are going for a repayment plan. You are going an installment plan. You pay an installment to the land and you pay an installment or a premium to the life insurance policy or a health insurance policy. So both are the same. Both are the same if you really look at it. But there is a difference between life insurance and the land. Just imagine, you become critically ill. You become critically ill. Life insurance will not say no to you. Your life insurance plan, if it has critical illness cover, the life insurance will pay you a lump sum for your critical illness treatment. Now on the other side you have the land. Do you think the land company will pay you something for your critical illness? The land company will not pay you anything to you, but the life insurance will pay you. Now which is good? I'm not going to say life insurance is better than land. No. You should not compare the land and the life insurance because these are two different properties. If you pay that full, if you complete both, you get a fantastic return at the end. Life insurance also will give you a good return. The land also will give you a good return. So what's the difference? The difference is the life insurance or the critical illness or the health insurance will serve a different purpose. The land will serve a different purpose. Now, just imagine, if you have both, what will happen? You are in a fantastic situation. If you have only land, in a critical situation like that, you have to find money for your critical illness claim, your critical illness treatment. Whereas, if you have the life insurance alone, you get the money for your critical illness. Just imagine, if you have only the land, You got the critical illness, so somehow find money and take the treatment. You won't be able to pay the installment to the land. You might lose the land. You may not be able to continue it because you've got a lot of cash for your treatment. If you have only the insurance, yes, you got the treatment, you're fantastically all right, but you lost the opportunity of buying the land. The suggestion that I gave it to my friend is buy both, because it's like you're buying a television and a refrigerator. It has two different purposes. You buy the land and buy the life insurance. What happens in a situation like that? You get money for your treatment and you can continue the land as well because you have no problem of financial difficulties. You got money. At the end, you get the land, you get the life insurance. So, remember, the insurance, life or critical or whatever, you should have it because it will protect your wealth. There are two purposes in life insurance or critical illness. One purpose is it will create emergency cash for you, for your emergencies, financial requirements, emergency financial needs. That in return protect your assets of not selling to generate money. So the life insurance can protect your assets. The other thing is life insurance will generate or accumulate funds for long-term needs. So there are main two reasons why you should buy life insurance. It will protect your assets, your lifestyle. Life insurance health insurance can protect your lifestyle and your assets. On the other side, life insurance and the medical insurance can build funds for the future. Therefore, you don't have to stop anything. Look at life insurance independently. Look at life insurance features independently and buy it. You don't have to stop anything to buy life insurance. And because of life insurance, you should not stop any other investments. It is important to have all. In time to come, because I found this will be very useful. Sometimes people like independent advice, so I thought to share a couple of videos to get this concept right and educate people on financial protection and financial freedom. Good luck.